Hey fams, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing okay. Yes, we are here today, and as you can see, you know that I have a special person in my midst. She's a sister indeed, and she's a sister from another mother, Iyotago. So today we are going to be making. What are you making for us? Abacha, my native food. Hey,
abacha today.
So you are going to make my native food for me.
Yes.
So it's up to you to stay there, watch it. Watch it till the end, okay? Because you might be learning another style from her.
Let me do it my own style.
You know? So stay tuned, guys. And give us like and comment in the comment section. Tell us what you see. Did she do it well? Just say anything in the comment section. We will really appreciate it. So stay tuned and let's do it. I want to know water today. I na 042.
Now I'm pouring in boiled water. This is hot water. So now let's stir a little bit.
Can I taste?
I'm just going to give it a test to see how cooked the abacha is. Strong. So we keep stirring. So now I'm going to bring the abacha out. This is called
Uba.
Okay,
we call it Uba in our dialect. Yes.
This is Uba. Okay. Then add it to it and mix it together. Right?
Now you're calling me.
Pretty. you don't travel Enugu.
This one is ehu. Okay, ehu. So add it now.
Yeah.
Seasoning. I'm just going to add some seasoning cube. This is salt. That's it. And so now we'll mix everything together. Mix everything together. So we'll now add our abacha. No?
Okay,
Fish.
this is crayfish, guys.
And then we mix everything together so it will all give us a very nice taste. See how far I've walked. I'm going to add it to the abacha. Okay, so it will give us that taste that we want. I've already make the sauce, the bar sauce. Okay. So we keep blending.
Witty in the kitchen. Making abacha. Abacha Enugu.
Okay, abacha Enugu, abi?
Yes.
No, this one that I'm making is Abia.
Abia.
Wuru village.
My God, though.
Hi.
Oh, you did it. Oh, can I taste it?
Yes. Taste it. Let me give you some. Taste it. Yeah. Very nice. How did it go? Nice. I tried.
So sweet. So sweet. You will tell me the secret, honestly.
You are the
You will
secret.
tell me the person that taught you all this thing.
You are the one.
Oh my God, when she told me that she want to prepare my own native food, I doubted it. So until now, I have confirmed it. So kudos to Pretty. She really tried, and you need to taste this abacha. If you are interested, you can start coming. Okay? So
It's so yummy.
Abi.
So yummy, guys. I'm in one and only our dancer. Our mama.
Daddy Bella go say Michael Jackson.
Our mama. I'm in the house, so I say I want to prepare abacha. Not all the time she'll be preparing abacha. Abacha for us. So
You
today,
can do it.
I can do it. Let me do my own wuru abacha.
No, you did it
I
well.
did
You
it
did
well.
it well,
And
honestly.
it came out fine.
Yeah.
So we are going to use to eat the abacha.
Yeah.
Come and join us, guys.
Yes, so let's go and enjoy. Yeah.
All right. Cut.
Imo ekene mo.